Picture this. You're running a business, juggling everything else, and then on top of it, social media demands constant content. Every guru says post daily, go viral, build your audience. So you sit there late at night scrolling through other people's accounts, wondering how they manage to pump out so much. You try creating posts yourself, but after hours of work, the views are disappointing. And deep down, you know that if you don't figure out how to grow your audience fast, you're going to get left behind. That's exactly where one of my clients was stuck. They had amazing offers, but no attention. And in today's world, attention is the currency. Without it, you don't grow, you don't sell, and you stay invisible. So here's what I gave them: an automation that acts like a social media sniper. It monitors top creators in their niche and only targets the content that's already blowing up. Posts with thousands of likes, shares, and comments. As soon as those posts cross the threshold, the bot downloads them, tweaks them just enough to make the algorithm treat them like new, rewrites the captions, and reposts them across dozens of accounts. Instead of hoping something might go viral, they were literally feeding their accounts with proven viral content every single day. The results were insane. Instead of spending hours creating, they now had accounts posting 5 to 7 viral pieces a day automatically. Followers started pouring in by the thousands. Engagement exploded. And here's the kicker: we didn't stop at growth. Another automation took all that attention and redirected it straight into lead magnets, opt-in pages, and offers. Overnight, their social media stopped being a time-sucking chore and started being a full-scale lead generation machine. Think about what that means. While most entrepreneurs are burning out, trying to brainstorm, film, edit, and post endlessly, this system guarantees that only the best battle-tested content touches your audience. And every follower becomes a potential customer because the traffic doesn't just sit there. It gets funneled into real revenue. Now imagine if they hadn't done this. They'd still be stuck creating mediocre posts that no one sees, wasting hours, falling further behind competitors who are already automating. But instead, their accounts became growth engines. Their funnels filled with leads, their sales grew without them lifting a finger. That's the power of automating viral content. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. And if you're ready to stop fighting the hamster wheel and finally turn social media into a money-making machine, you might want to look into something like this.